Shenzhen Finicare Company Limited is a company persistently focusing on design, development, manufacturing, and sales of infrared thermometer. Finicare brings innovative concepts and creative energy to the thermometer industry and builds upon a professional enterprise. Finicare is located in Shenzhen, China, which covers a factory size of 4,000 square meters with over 152 employees. Our production capacity has reached 300,000 pieces per month. Our main products are infrared thermometer, baby thermometer, clinical thermometer, and non-contact thermometer. The products are smart design, high accuracy, quick 1-second reading, and truly market-oriented. After carrying out ISO 13485 system and working on ERP system, we have formed a complete set of management system from research, production, to final test and qualified shipment. With the development, our products have gradually passed TÜV CE FDA certifications. Finicare has promoted a variety of high-quality and environmentally friendly products to the global markets. These achievements have attributed to many joint efforts by hundreds of customers in the United States, Europe, UK, South America, Australia, South Africa, Hong Kong, Middle East, Taiwan area, Malaysia, Thailand, and India. Finicare also provide the OEM ODM service. We strive to keep up with the industry trends and meet or exceed the market demands. As an innovator in infrared thermometer industry, Finicare has gained rich experience in developing, manufacturing, sales, and after-sales service of the thermometer. Finicare is cooperating and will further continue to enhance with our partners to gain the greater success.